Welcome to this special guided meditation session as we reflect on the year that has passed and set our intentions for the upcoming year. Find a comfortable position, allowing yourself to fully immerse in this moment of gratitude and mindfulness. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. With each breath, let go of any tension or concerns and bring your focus to the present moment. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey of 2023. The highs, the lows, and everything in between. Visualize the experiences, the people, and the lessons that shaped your year. With each breath, acknowledge and express gratitude for the moments of joy, growth, and even the challenges that provided opportunities for learning. As you continue to breathe, bring to mind specific events or accomplishments that brought you joy this year. Feel the warmth of gratitude expanding within you. As you continue to breathe, shift your focus to the challenges and hardships that you've faced this year. Recognize the strength and resilience that emerged from those experiences. As you inhale and exhale, expressing gratitude for the lessons learned and the personal growth that unfolded. Now, let's move our focus to the year ahead, 2024. Envision the possibilities, the opportunities for growth, and the moments of joy that await you. See the year unfolding like a tapestry of experiences, with each thread representing a new opportunity for learning, connection, and fulfillment. As you breathe in, welcome the positive energy of the coming year. Embrace the anticipation of new adventures, relationships, and personal achievements. Allow the excitement for the future to fill your heart with hope and positivity. As you exhale, take a moment to set your intentions for 2024. What qualities do you want to cultivate? What goals do you aspire to achieve? Envision yourself navigating the coming year with grace, resilience, and an open heart. As you continue to breathe, visualize yourself experiencing all of the things you hope to work towards from this day forth. Picture them as if they are your reality, and let your heart feel full that you are on the right path. As you take this time to breathe and envision the year ahead. Take a few moments of silence to fully embrace this feeling of gratitude and anticipation of what lies ahead. And now, as we conclude our guided meditation, bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly reawakening your body. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the sense of gratitude and optimism with you into the coming year. I bow to the divine in you, recognizing and honoring the light that connects us all. Namaste.